Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Let's say you are learning JavaScript and you're trying to run your code like this one I have here, but when you try to run the code you don't see anything. Let's say I try to run and then nothing shows up in the console. So here is the solution for this. You come to your HTML code and include and tell the web server that, hey, you need to check for your JavaScript from this file. So my JavaScript file is this one here. So I need to tell the web server that, hey, my JavaScript is from this file. Yes, like that. And now when you're trying to run the code, it should work. Yes, and that's it. Make sure you like the channel, subscribe, and see you in the next one.